Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about an electric toothbrush that is unlike any other in the market, the Laifen Wave. Let's find out more. Now, I normally don't do unboxing on camera, but with this particular product, I do want to start with that because unboxing this felt like I was unboxing an Apple product. Everything about the design screams Apple. It seems Laifen was inspired by Apple, which is not particularly a bad thing. Whether you're a fan of Apple or not, I think you cannot argue, at least my point of view, about their design strategy and their attention to detail with everything, including their packaging and how you open them. And you see the same thing over here, even starting with that big brown box that it comes in with those pull tabs to easily open it. Once you do open it, you see the product packaging, which really resembles Apple. And even when you open that, everything is neat, everything is well designed. It has that Apple feel down to the user manual and the lettering here. It says designed by Laifen. So that was an interesting unboxing. The Apple inspiration doesn't end only with the packaging. We'll see that in just a second. And this is the toothbrush. I have the stainless steel finish over here. It looks very sleek. I really love the finishing, although it might be a fingerprint magnet, but looks very nice. Also, I love the size. It's actually pretty small. And when you compare it to my current toothbrush, that's the Oral-B IO Series 9, you can see how much more compact this is, and I like that. It comes with 3 different brushes, and these are labeled. You've got the Gum Care brush, which is labeled CS, and this one is going to be soft on the gums. You've got the Super Clean brush, and that one is labeled GS, and this is for your daily brushing needs. And then you've got an Ultra Whitening brush labeled US for more powerful cleaning. You get a charging cable, and that's the other Apple-inspired thing. It's like Apple's MagSafe on the bottom of the toothbrush, and you can magnetically attach a charger to charge it. Now, looks, design aside, what's more important is how well does it function. Back to what I said in my intro, what sets the Laifen Wave apart from all the other electric toothbrush in the market, and that is the way it operates. So most, if not all, electric toothbrush either do rotations like the Oral-B that I have over here, or they do sonic vibrations. The Laifen Wave also does vibrations, but in addition to that, it does something that none of the other electric toothbrushes do, and that is oscillations that sweep side to side. So it's actually a 60-degree oscillation, as you can see, which gives that sweeping motion from left to right. And why is that important? Because apparently this is the best recommended way to brush your teeth. Now, I'm not a dentist, I review tech, but my father happens to be a retired dental surgeon of over 40 years of work experience. So I did give him a call when Laifen called me to see if I'm interested in reviewing their toothbrush. And yes, this is a sponsored review. Laifen did send me this product for free for my review. However, this did not impact my review, and they did not see a script prior to shooting this video. So my review does remain objective and unbiased. When I called my father and I showed him what the Laifen does and I asked him his thoughts, he was actually impressed. He told me this mimics the brushing and cleaning technique that they would do in clinic, that combination of vibrations and side-to-side oscillation. And when I researched this a bit more, apparently this is called the BAS method, which is a recommended method for cleaning your teeth that involves very short back and forth strokes followed by a sweep of the brush to dig the plaque away. And this is exactly what the Laifen toothbrush does. It's got vibration and that side-to-side oscillation that you see, thus by cleaning your teeth with the dentist recommended cleaning method. And to show you those oscillations, I tried to shoot this in a high frame rate slow motion, and this is what it looks like at 240 frames per second. So you can see the left to right sweeping motion that the brush can do. Now, I was curious how different it's going to be from that Oral-B that I've been using for quite a while. So before I actually tried it on my teeth, I put both toothbrushes in a cup of water to see that impact of that vibrations that are stronger on the Laifen Wave, but also the oscillations. And as you can see, there's a huge difference between the Oral-B and the Laifen. So then I tried it on my teeth, and I gotta tell you, it felt great. I don't have a scientific way of telling you how well it cleans, but I can tell you how I felt after cleaning my teeth, and it felt like I just came back from the dentist. Now, obviously, judging this based on how I feel might not be a very smart thing, but combining how I felt and how my teeth felt after that cleaning session with what I now know about the Laifen, whether it's my father's recommendation of this cleaning method or the strength of the vibrations and oscillations as with what we saw in the glass of water, that gives me the confidence that this is a better cleaning method and kind of validates that I felt that my teeth were cleaner. Now, Laifen did share with me that they have a proprietary servo system which generates consistent brushing power. And while again, I don't have the equipment to test that, they did share their test results. And as you can see, compared to other brands, the Laifen does seem to have both a better coverage and more consistency. Now, the brush does come with Bluetooth, so it can be connected to your phone via an app, via the Laifen app, which will let you customize a few of the settings, and I'm going to walk you through that. So once you connect it, the first interesting thing that you can toggle on is the zone change reminder. And as you know, you should be brushing your teeth in 4 different quadrants, 30 seconds per quadrant to get to that 2-minute recommended time. So when you toggle the zone changing reminder on, it's going to vibrate to let you know it's time to move to the next quadrant. I think this is really important to have, and my preference would have been if this was enabled by default. Unfortunately, it's not, so you will have to download the app to enable it, but I'm glad that at least the feature exists. Next up, you see the 3 settings that you can configure, and that's the vibration intensity, the swing amplitude, and the swing speed. And all of these can range from 1 all the way to 10. Now, by default, the toothbrush has 3 different modes, and you toggle through the modes by double clicking. So the first light means you're in mode number 1, and as you can see, it has a vibration intensity of 2, swing speed and amplitude of 5. If you double click on this, it goes to level 2, which is a 4, 6, and 6, and level 3 is a 5, 6, and 6. But if you wanted different settings, you can customize each of these modes. There's also something called a high frequency mode. And when you enable that and listen to the sound, I'm going to put this next to the microphone, you get a 4th mode over here. And this changes the frequency from a maximum of 10 to a maximum of 20. And so you can hear it's a much higher frequency. This is for much deeper cleaning of your teeth if you need that. Through the app, you can also enable travel mode, which is nice. This locks this so it does not accidentally turn on in your suitcase, but you don't need the app to do that. You can press and hold on the power button, and this is going to enable travel mode. So that's it for the Laifen Wave. To be honest, there's a lot to like about this toothbrush. For starters, I'm very happy with the cleaning performance and with the peace of mind that this is the recommended cleaning method, but also my mouth, my teeth do feel, I'm not going to say cleaner because you cannot feel that they're cleaner, but after brushing my teeth, I do feel that they got a workout, which leads me to believe that they should be cleaner. I also like the fact that it has a 30-day battery life compared to around 2 weeks with others in the market like my Oral-B. It also supports fast charging, so about 2 or 2.5 hours is all it takes for it to charge. It is IPX7 waterproof rated, so you can submerge it in theory in water, which makes cleaning this easier. The replacement heads are pretty affordable. I think they come down to around $4 to $5 per head, which is much more affordable than what I have to pay for my Oral-B replacement heads. But most importantly, the price point of the Laifen Wave, I think, is a very good price point. I will put links in the description so you can see the price at the moment you're watching this. But what I can tell you is I paid 2-3 times more for my Oral-B Series 9. And to be honest, I don't know why. If I was to buy an electric toothbrush today, I wouldn't want to spend 2 to 3 times more to get something like this. I'd rather spend significantly less to get something like this with the peace of mind that's actually cleaning better. The only thing I would say is when you're cleaning, because of that oscillating motion, once it's deeper inside your mouth, be careful for the back of this not to touch your teeth. Otherwise, you're gonna rattle. So just be careful when you're doing that.
And when I mentioned that complaint to Laifen, the response was that they have noticed this issue and have actually launched cushion brush heads, which I wasn't aware of. I haven't had a chance to try them, but I will be placing an order soon, and I'm sure the TPU cushioning will have a much better feel on my teeth.
But beyond that, I've been really happy with its performance and how I feel after brushing my teeth. Now, having said that, this is not perfect. There are a few things that I don't like about this. None of them are deal breakers, but for starters, that magnetic charging port is nice, only I wish they did not put it at the bottom, but on the back. This would mean I could charge it while it's standing, which would have made more sense. This kind of reminds me of the Apple Magic Mouse, which also has a charging port on the back. Now, it's not a deal breaker because the battery lasts a month and you can charge it within 2.5 hours. but it would have been nice if the port was on the back, or if it came with a charging stand or charging base so that I can keep it charged all the time. And the second thing that this lacks is a pressure sensor, which the Oral-B has. So on the Oral-B, if you apply a lot of pressure, it's gonna light red to let you know that a lot of pressure has been applied. Now, personally, after using electric toothbrushes for quite some time, I now know the right amount of pressure to apply when brushing. So this is not an important feature for me, but if it is for you, it's just something to keep in mind.
Now, when I asked Laifen how come they did not implement a pressure sensor on the Wave, their response was that they rather prioritize a better clean by ensuring they have a consistent and stable motor, but to still offer some gum and tooth protection, their brushes are designed with softer and finer bristles.
All in all, would I recommend the Laifen Wave? Well, absolutely. At that price point, knowing the way it cleans, knowing a dentist's opinion of the way it cleans, and also seeing how I feel after cleaning my teeth with the Laifen Wave, I would definitely recommend it. That's it for me. Again, I'll put links in the description to the Laifen Wave. Make sure to check those out to see the price at the moment you're watching this. These are affiliate links, so if you do decide to purchase it, I would appreciate if you would go through the links. I may earn some commission at absolutely no extra cost to you, but this will greatly help support the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, as this encourages me to continue producing content. Until next time, cheers.